get my garden ready this year for planting, using for one of my gardens using my old tiller. You maintain something and keep it, you can keep it for a long time. So there's a way of telling by code on some of these engines to tell how old a Briggs Stratton engine is. Unfortunately, I don't think this one has the numbers very easy to see, but anyway, this thing is probably from the 60s, and it's a motor we've had laying around for a while. But you know, I just checked the oil in it, put gas in it, and 3 pulls it fired right up. So I already started using it, till some of the garden, and we're gonna film some more doing that right now. So here from like the 1960s Briggs Stratton engine. I think the code is right in there. I can't quite make it out. There was another engine on this that we swapped around that didn't have a recoil start on it, and that was from the 40s, and it still ran up to a couple years ago. We had this engine on a snowblower we had for years, and the auger went bad on it, so we stuck it on here, and it works really well. This is, I think, like a 2.5 or 3 horsepower. I think it says 4 cycle. Due for an oil change. I will use it periodically throughout the year, and going around like through the rows and stuff here of doing my garden and stuff. But yeah, use something like this, you find one and you can maintain it, you know, keep it going. It's a lot better than that Chinese stuff, in my opinion. So this is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching.